Hello everyone, welcome to CMIS Digital Classroom. This is Tufan. Today, whatever we are learning, whatever we are going to learn is very interesting thing, right? So first, let us learn what we used to do in normal life. Whatever we are, we expand that also. जितना भी हम लोग अर्निंग करते हैं उसको एक्सपेंडिचर भी करते हैं, right? So suppose I am earning something. Okay, I am earning suppose 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000. So suppose I am earning 20,000. Okay, and whatever I am earning, it is adding in my account, right? It will add in my account. That means it will plus. And whatever I am expending, whatever I am expending on my growth, on it may be not for me. If we are taking examples of other, there for their food, for their clothes, or for me also for my clothes, for my daily uses, whatever the necessary items. Okay, if we talk about the families, they have lots of requirements. So as per their requirement, they expand also. So whatever they expect, suppose 20,000 a family is earning and 10,000 that family is expanding. Okay. So 10,000 that family is expanding. So what will be this 10,000 is? 10,000 will be subtract from, right? ये घट जाएगा. This is what happens with the water tank also. Suppose there is a water tank, एक पानी का टैंकी है मान लेते हैं इस तरह से. Okay, and there are two pipes are connected with this tank. दो पाइप कनेक्टेड रहता है. One is in the above, एक ऊपर रहता है इस तरह से, which fill the water, जो इसमें पानी भरता है. ठीक है. So with the help of this fill the water tank. And another is here, suppose, which with this the water which we are getting, so यहाँ से empty करता है. This empty the tank. So here, whenever any water is filling into the tank, that will be plus, and whatever the water going out from this or making the tank empty, that will be subtracted. वो minus हो जाएगा. This is the common thing. So this is what today we are going to learn. आज इसी के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. The problems related to the pipe and cisterns. Okay, or the problems related to the water tanks. Okay. So topic is problems related to the pipe and cistern. This is called cistern. The coming of and making inserting the cistern and outside making it empty the cistern. So this is what the basic concept of this. Now let us see, as like we have learned in our previous topic, that in one day or if any particular person is doing a work in 8 days, then how much in one day, how much part of the work that particular people will do. So in this case also we have that type of things. So if suppose one water tank is there, it is taking 6 hours to fill it completely. So how much part of the water tank will fill in 1 hour? So it will be 1 by 6 definitely. तो total time अगर 6 hours लगता है, that means in 1 hour it will fill 1 by 6 part of the tank, right? So this is how, if any tank is given that in 1 hour, 1 घंटा में in 1 hour suppose it is given that a water tank is filled 1/7th part of the tank. That means to fill it completely it will take 7 hours. So just like that only, just like walk and time only, in problems related to pipes and systems also it happens with the same thing. 6 hours total लगता है, so for in 1 hour it will fill 1/6 part of the tank, and अगर दिया हुआ है कि 1 hour में 1/7 part of the tank fill करता है, so it will take 7 hours to fill the tank completely. But here one most important thing is there which is related to the empty tank. Tank को empty करने के लिए क्या time लगेगा? Here this is all about the filling of the tank. But if it is asking about the empty, then the negative sign we will use. So negative sign we will use in case of empty the tank. So अगर दिया हुआ है कि मान लेते हैं कि it will become empty in 6 hours. So 6 घंटा में अगर वो empty हो जाएगा तो 1 घंटा में मतलब 1/6 empty होगा, तो 1/6 मतलब -1/6 हम लोग यूज करेंगे. We will use -1/6. उसी तरह से यहाँ पे अगर दिया गया है कि 1 घंटा में 1/7 पार्ट एम्प्टी कर रहा है टैंक को, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे -7 का यूज करेंगे और -1/7 का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. So this is the basic concept about the questions related to the pipe and systems. We will able to understand in better way with the help of examples, right? So let us try to see some examples from the exercise. So two terms are being used here. So let us learn about those two terms also. So whenever we fill water in a tank, that is called inlet. Okay. So if it is given that inlet, or when we are filling the water in a particular tank, that is called inlet, and when we are taking out any water, or when any water is leaking from a tank, that is called outlet. Outlet. So that means the water is coming out, okay, and water is coming out, that is called the outlet. So inlet and outlet, these two terms are used for filling the waters and empty the tank with the help of outlet. Okay. So these are the two terms related to this chapter, and now we understood that in case of inlet, if total time is given and means it may be any hour, then in 1 hour it will be 1/n part of the tank it will fill. And suppose in case of outlet it is taking m hours completely to empty the tank, then it will in 1 hour it will empty 1 - 1/n. So this minus sign is very important. So with the help of this, if you don't use minus sign, then your whole problems, whole questions will be, whole answers will be wrong. Okay. So this is the basic concept which you need to keep in mind. Now let us see some examples. So as like said in previous video we have learned, in previous classes we have learned that suppose A is doing a particular work in 8 days, B is doing a particular work in 6 days, then the part of work A can do in 1 day is 1/8, B can do in one part of work in 1/6, and after that we have added both work of a particular day, that if A and B work together, then in how many days it will take. So in 1 day first we have calculated, and then with the help of that we got that in total time how much it will take to complete the particular task. So here also it is given that pipe A and B, two pipes are there which can fill an empty tank. Tank is empty, okay, in 10 hours and 15 hours. So if you are using 8, suppose one tank is there, one water tank is there, so it may be possible कि इसके साथ एक इधर से भी है, इधर से भी दो पाइप लगा हुआ है. सपोज ए पाइप ये है, बी पाइप ये है. So it is saying कि A पाइप अगर आप ओपन करते हो, it will take 10 hours, and B पाइप अगर ओपन करते हो सो इट विल टेक 15 आवर्स। इसका मतलब जो बी का पावर है, बी का जो स्पीड है या बी का जो पाइप है वो अलग है, बड़ा है, ज्यादा पानी इसमें आ रहा है एक पर्टिकुलर आवर में, ठीक है, सॉरी इसमें ज्यादा आ रहा है क्योंकि ये कम टाइम में फील कर रहा है 10 आवर्स में, और इसमें कम पानी आ रहा है क्योंकि ये 15 आवर्स टाइम लगा रहा है बी, ठीक है। सो व्हाटएवर इट इज टेकिंग मोर टाइम दैट मींस द वाटर इज कमिंग लेस, and wherever it is filling in less time, so water is coming more here in pipe A. So now it is asking both if we are opening together, then how much time it will take. This is the question, right? So first thing which we are doing is pipe A can fill the tank in 10 hours, right? So let us write A can fill the tank. A can fill the tank in 10 hours. Same, B can fill the tank in 15 hours. Right? So now first thing which we need to calculate is in 1 hour how much part of the tank filling by A, and in 1 hour how much part of the tank is filling by the pipe B also, right? So let us write pipe A fills 1/10 of the tank in 1 hour. 1 घंटा में जो है पाइप A 1/10 पार्ट ऑफ द टैंक फिल कर रहा है, सेम पाइप B fills 1/15 part of the tank in 1 hour. So this is for the 1 hour of A and B. Now the question is saying we have opened both together. तो दोनों को अगर एक साथ काउंट कर दिए तो 1 आवर्स में जो टैंक फिल करेगा ये दोनों का सम करेगा, ठीक है। शो द टोटल टाइम टेकिंग बाय A and B, शो पार्ट ऑफ द टैंक, part of the tank filled by A and B together. So together fill जो कर रहा है उस केस में हम लोग ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। So I hope we can erase the question now. Okay, so I am doing here so part of the tank filled by A and B together. So A and B together अगर काम कर रहा है तो that will become 1/10 plus 1/15. So if you take the LCM it will come 3 plus 2/30. Okay, so then it will come 3 plus 2 is 5/30 means 1/6. So this 1/6 part of the wall, I mean 1/6 part of the tank is filling by A and B in 1 hour. 1 घंटा में 1/6 पार्ट फिल कर रहा है, तो टोटल टाइम कितना लगेगा? 6 आवर्स लगेगा, just using the concept. Okay, so thus we can write here, thus pipe A and B required 6 hours to fill the tank. So very easily this is how we can solve this type of problem. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन जो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है, तो अगर समझ नहीं आए तो जरूर बताएंगे, so that we can discuss, so that we can explain, right? Very simple है, A फिल कर रहा है 10 घंटा में, B फिल कर रहा है 15 घंटा में, तो A जो है वो फिल करेगा 1/10 पार्ट ऑफ द टैंक इन 1 आवर, B फिल करेगा 1/15 पार्ट ऑफ द टैंक इन 1 आवर, और अगर हम लोग दोनों को एक साथ जो ओपन करते हैं इन 1 आवर ए 1/10 फिल कर रहा है, बी 1/15 फिल कर रहा है, तो दोनों को एक साथ जोड़ देंगे तो दोनों का जो है आ जाएगा 1/6 पार्ट ऑफ द टाइम फिल करेगा 1 आवर में। सो 1 आवर में अगर 1/6 पार्ट ऑफ द टाइम फिल कर रहा है, दैट मींस द टोटल टाइम इट विल टेक इज 6 आवर, राइट। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस द क्वेश्चंस लाइक pipes and systems. Now this is very interesting question. A pipe A can fill an empty tank. So suppose one tank is here, water tank is here. Okay. So two pipes are fit. One is here inlet, another is here outlet. So now in the question it is asking कि pipe A fill the empty tank. So suppose this is pipe A and this is pipe B. So pipe A can fill the empty tank in 5 hours. So अगर हम लोग इसको ऑन करते हैं, so it will take 5 hours to fill completely. While pipe B can empty the tank in 6 hours. और अगर हम लोग का ये बंद रहता है, सिर्फ इसको ओपन कर देते हैं, so it will take 6 hours to empty the tank. तो ये दिया हुआ है कि अगर इसको बंद करके आप इसको सिर्फ चालू करते हो तो 5 आवर्स में ये टैंकी फुल हो जाएगा। अगर इसको बंद करके इसको ओपन कर देते हो तो 6 घंटे में ये पूरा टैंकी खाली हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो इसका मतलब ये कम टाइम लगा है, डेफिनेटली इसका जो पानी का स्पीड ही ज्यादा है, ठीक है, या पाइप ज्यादा चौड़ा है, ठीक है। तो अब हमें ये निकालना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि अगर दोनों को एक साथ ओपन कर दिया जाए, मैं यहां से पानी इनलेट भी कर रहा हूं, अंदर भी ले रहा हूं और यहां से पानी निकल भी रहा है। सो इन दैट केस हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक टू फिल द टैंक। ये टैंक पूरा भरने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, ताकि अगर दोनों पाइप एक साथ ओपन है तो, ठीक है, एक तरफ से पानी आ भी रहा है, एक तरफ से निकल भी रहा है, ठीक है। तो नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर ऑफ दिस. So in the same way you will do as like the previous question only, just the difference is we have to instead of adding this of pipe 2 we have to subtract this, because जितना आ रहा है इसमें से इतना तो subtract होते जा रहा है. So I am not writing those all the words, so you can write that pipe A can fill an empty tank is equal to in 5 hours, pipe B can empty the tank in 6 hours. So therefore pipe A in 1 hour pipe A will in 1 hour pipe A will fill the tank 1/5 part of the tank, okay, and in 1 hour the pipe B will empty 1/6 part of the tank. तो ये लैंग्वेज आप लोग लिख लेना. The basic concept I am explaining is A will take how much, okay, and B will take how much. B will take how much. So in 1 hour A fill the tank is equal to 1/5 part of the tank, or and in 1 hour pipe B empty the tank. So it is empty, so empty the tank is equal to 1/6 part of the tank. So here क्योंकि ये empty कर रहा है तो यहाँ पे -1/6 part होगा, -1/6 होगा, ठीक है. So therefore total timing जो हो जाएगा, because it is asking how much time will they take to fill up completely, therefore the time take to fill completely, fill it up completely is equal to, just you have to add this and subtract this, because ये जो है ये हम लोग का इनलेट है तो ऐड होगा और ये आउटलेट है तो सबट्रैक्ट होगा. तो हमारा जो सॉल्यूशंस बनेगा इस तरह से बनेगा. मैं आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन जो इरेज करके पर समझाता हूं. सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. 1/5 minus 1/6. So this will come 30. 6 minus 5. So 1/30. So that means this in 1 hour it will fill 1/30 part of the tank. 1 घंटा में 1/30 part अगर fill होता है, so total time it will take, therefore total time it will take is equal to 30 hours. So 30 घंटा टोटल इसको लग जाएगा. तो इस तरह से अगर इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस है कि एक पाइप से पानी आ रहा है, एक पाइप से निकल के खत्म हो जा रहा है, तो हम लोग we can solve by subtracting like this. So very easily we can solve this type of questions of this exercise. So now I hope you can solve the rest of all questions of exercise 13A. So the homework of this week is 13A. Try to solve the all questions. If you having any doubts in any questions, we will discuss them. You can ask. Okay, and thank you everyone. So note down the homework. Your homework is exercise 13A. So 13A is the rest of all up to 1 to 10 you all have done, and the rest of all questions 10 to 13 I think those are questions related to the work and time, and the rest of all questions are related to the pipes and systems. So you will